It's today's Tuesday, so I'm gonna start taking showers on Thursdays now. So in the middle of this year, my voice is gonna sound a little more different. And the summer this year, yeah, true, because yeah, it is. I don't know why, but we'll see. That's kind of crazy that Toiletries disrespected people's opinions and spelling. So what Fan for Toilet actually deleted his channel. He didn't suspend his channel, he just deleted only, not suspended. Because I looked up days ago, and it said, this channel does not exist anymore. That means his channel got deleted. He deleted that. Well, KFK closed his YouTube account 4 months ago.